morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing some tie-dyes. I've been making tie-dyes for a really long time and quite enjoy the process. So what I'm going to do is start off by I've got all my supplies together so you can see everything here. And of course, a lot of the bees have joined me in the process here. I've got all my shirts washed, and I don't use soap when I wash them. Only thing I do is use some warm water and get the sizing out. That way they're ready to go and they'll be able to absorb the dye better. And then I'm gonna get another bee here. I'm gonna get the bucket ready with the soda ash, and the soda ash is the dye fixer. So what I want to use is 1 cup of soda ash to 1 gallon of water. And I usually start off with 1 gallon, and it ends up usually being about 2 gallons because you want to have it soaking in a good amount so that all the fabric absorbs all the soda ash. All right, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to go over here to the water hose and start off by, sometimes I get the gallon pitcher out and I go ahead and measure it. So now we're gonna go ahead and dump 1 cup, and I always keep the same cup in here in the soda ash, and the soda ash comes from Jacquard. So let me go ahead and mix this. So use only the utensils that you plan on using only for the dye. Never use them again for food. I have all the soda ash now mixed, and it's ready to go. And this is acid, and it will eat your hands, not like so eat it like, it just like makes them dry. That's what I've found in the past, but my hands have gotten so used to it. But it's all mixed up, so now we just want to start putting our shirts in. All right, and so now these will soak for 30 minutes. And once they've soaked for 30 minutes, you wring out as much as you can and then start folding. All right, I'll be right back. Here's where some of the tie-dyes that I've made, and I hang them up on my porch and you can see them. And here's some more of them. And some more. But what I wanted to tell you is that you want to make sure you use a tablespoon of dye to 1 of those little bottles of water. And I usually use it's cold water. And I use one of those trays like from Walmart for laying it out. And that's the bottle right there. And here's some more. And then the last time when my grandson was here, he helped me make some too and had a ball. And little Ledger got ink all over him too, or dye. Thank you.